Welcome to online class Priyadarshini High School. Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe. I am your English teacher here. Today we will start our next bit, that is learning grammar. Okay, now in this section today we will learn about what is positive sentence, what is negative sentence, and what is a question sentence. Okay, positive sentences, negative sentences, and question sentences. Now let's see what is a positive sentence. Positive sentences tells you something that is so. पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस हमें बताता है कि ये ऐसा है. ओके, ये ऐसा है. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस टेल्स यू समथिंग दैट इज़ नॉट सो. ओके, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस हमें बताता है कि ये ऐसा नहीं है. ओके, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस हमें बताता है कि ये ऐसा नहीं है. इट कंटेन्स नेगेटिव वर्ड्स. नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में हमेशा आपको नेगेटिव वर्ड्स पाए जाते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल डोंट, इज़ंट, डजंट, आरंट एक्सेट्रा. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में हमें नेगेटिव वर्ड्स यानी डू नॉट, इज़ नॉट, आर नॉट, डज नॉट, हैव नॉट, हैज़ नॉट. Okay, we find negative words in negative sentences. Okay, positive sentences tells you something that is so, and negative sentences tells you something that is not so. It contains negative words don't, isn't, doesn't, aren't, etc. Okay, now let's see what is question sentence. Question is a sentence that asks something or doubts something. यानी क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस वो होता है जो हमसे सवाल करता है. ओके, जब भी हमको कुछ डाउट रहा तो हम क्या करते हैं, डाउट रहा तो क्वेश्चन करते. सो क्वेश्चन सेंटेंसेस हमें हमेशा क्या मिलता है, क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस में हमें सवाल मिलता है. ओके, इट एंड्स विद अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस हमेशा एक क्वेश्चन मार्क के साथ एंड होता है. अ क्वेश्चन रिक्वायर्स एन आंसर. जब भी हम क्वेश्चन करते, सवाल करते, तो उसका हमें जवाब चाहिए ना. तो क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस के लिए हमेशा जवाब होना रहता है. ओके, इट रिक्वायर्स अ आंसर. इट स्टार्ट्स विथ क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स व्हेन, वेयर, विच, व्हाट, डज एक्सेट्रा. क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस हमेशा एक क्वेश्चन वर्ड के साथ स्टार्ट होते. ओके, क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स क्या है, व्हेन, वेयर, विच, व्हाट, डज, डू, इज, आर. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी सम एग्जाम्पल फॉर पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस. सीमा इज माई फ्रेंड. रोहन इज एंग्री. वी आर going to Mumbai today. All these are what? Positive sentence. It ends with a full stop. Full stop is also called period. Okay. Now next, what is negative sentences? Examples for negative sentences. Seema is not my friend. Rahul is not in class 4th. Akash is not a clerk. We are not playing. Why we called it as negative sentences? Because not negative word is used in all these sentences. Okay, not is used in whichever sentence you find a negative word, that is called a negative sentence. So here see, Seema is not my friend. Not is used, so it is a negative word, is not. You can also use a short form for is not, that is isn't. Okay, so as we are using negative word in this sentence, it becomes a negative sentence. In whichever sentence you find a negative word, that is a negative sentence. Hope you all understood how to find out a negative sentence. Now, see some short forms. Okay, short forms. Is not, we can write it as isn't. Are not, we can write it as aren't. Do not, we can write it as don't. Does not, we can write it as doesn't. Have not, we can write it as haven't. Has not, hasn't, etc. Okay, many words are there, we can use it in short forms also. Negative words. Now, question sentence. Examples for question sentences. Where are you going? Do you like ice cream? What will you do now? When is your birthday party? See here, in question sentence, we are using a question word. Where, do, what, when. Okay. It starts with a question word. Okay. And ends with a question mark. Question sentences. Now, how to change positive sentence to negative sentence? पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस को हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में किस तरह बदलना है? ही इज़ माई फ्रेंड, ही इज़ंट माई फ्रेंड. सी हियर पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस इज ही इज़ माई फ्रेंड, ही इज़ंट माई फ्रेंड. दे आर एन्जॉइंग, they aren't enjoying. Here what we are doing is we are taking this helping verb is and are. Okay, is और are क्या है? हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, लिंकिंग वर्ब है. हम इसको क्या कर रहे हैं? नेगेटिव वर्ड में चेंज कर दे रहे. is को is not कर दे रहे और are को are not. We are changing is into is not and are into are not. Okay, now let's see how to change statements into question. स्टेटमेंट्स को हम किस तरह क्वेश्चन में कन्वर्ट करना है. ओके, राखी इज़ दीक्षा सिस्टर. यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं? राखी दीक्षा के सिस्टर है. अगर हमको यस और नो में क्वेश्चन का आंसर चाहिए तो व्हाट वी विल डू इज़ वी विल यूज़ फर्स्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब हियर. ओके, इज़ राखी दीक्षा सिस्टर. ओके, यस और नो में अगर हमको आंसर आना है. अगर नहीं हमको आंसर एक सेंटेंस फॉर्म में आना है तो what will we use? Who is Diksha? Okay, who is Diksha? They are playing. Now here again if we want answer in yes or no form, so what will we use? Are they playing? Okay, if not we want answer in a sentence form, then what will we use? We will use a question word here. What are they doing? Hope you all understood. If we want an answer in, we will use the helping verb whatever is given in the sentence and we will use it first. Okay, is Diksha Rakhi's sister? And if we want the answer in a sentence form, we will use a question word, that is who is Diksha. Hope you all understood. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Complete your work on time.